Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to enter data row wise instead of column wise. Okay, so you can have this example. Now I am having a data entry to type in something, and Alan, Robert, okay, and Victoria, and Rahim, Segmon, or whatever. Okay, so what happens here is that the data is the Excel is moving the cell, moving from up to down. Okay, so whenever you press enter, it automatically goes to the next cell down. But what will happen, you have a set of data, you want to type it in row wise. Okay, Robert, then it comes to the next cell, then again you need to move the cursor there to see column and type Victoria, right? Again it's down. So I want this direction to be, whenever I put enter, it must move to the next cell in row wise. Okay, in the row. So I want to complete the entire row, then I will come back to the next row. So I want to enter the data in the row wise. Okay, so how to do that? We have an option here, file, options, not the options, yes, options, then you go to the advanced. There you have after pressing enter, move selection. Okay, what kind of selection you want to move? Selection direction. Okay, move selection direction is down now, so that's why the control is moving down. So but you want this one to be right. Okay, so press right. Now you see, you enter, it goes to the row wise, the next cell in row wise. Okay, so now you put right one, enter, it goes to row wise. So it helps you to move the Excel selection to the right hand side. Okay, so for similarly, for you can also do the other things, something like advance, left to right, up to down, and so on. Okay, so this is the way you can use this option advance and move selection. I'll show you one more time. Options, then press advance. After pressing enter, move selection direction. After pressing enter, which direction you want to consider. Okay, right or left or what. Okay, so this is the way you can use it, this option, to set it right and make sure you can enter the data in row wise. Okay, I hope this example is helpful to you, and see you on next video. God bless you.